My butter bar detox box is here, and I'm just so excited to show you guys what's in it. Here we go, guys. I am about to open the Butter Bar Skin Detox box. I'm already loving the box. It has this really pretty picture on it of this girl just soaking up all the moisture in her skin, and I'm pretty confident that whatever is in this box is gonna do the same thing for me. So let's open it up. First up, we have Flawless Skin Detox Tea. It has some really great ingredients in this product. Now, the cool thing about this product, guys, not only can it be used to cleanse your body internally, you can also use it as a bath tea soak. You can place 1/4 cup of this tea inside of a warm bath and enjoy a soak in the tub to cleanse your skin. Next up, we have the Charcoal-Moringa Clay Detoxifying Mask. It comes in a really tiny 2-ounce bottle, which is perfect for you to travel with. And the ingredients are organic moringa powder, activated charcoal powder, and bentonite clay. It helps get all of that dirt, chemicals, and even leftover makeup out of your skin. And it also helps fight acne, so you can have that flawless glowing skin that Butter Bar always talks about. These next 3 items come as a set. You get a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. And for these items, you have to apply them as a 3-step process. So you start with your cleanser, and then you use a cotton ball to gently apply your toner. And then once you're finished with that, you put the moisture back in your skin using their aloe, papaya, moringa skin balancing moisturizer, the brown sugar and honey skin evening facial scrub. So you get a little bit more with this item. It comes in a 4-ounce container, and the ingredients are brown sugar, almond oil, and organic raw honey. Now, there's only 3 ingredients in this, but I can tell you that it is super powerful, and they even advise you to not use this product more than twice per week. And like all of their products, they guarantee freshness for 6 months from after the date of purchase. Oh, and before I go, almost forgot, they included a bonus brush that I'm sure can be used for either the mask or the brown sugar and honey facial scrub. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or feedback for me, put a comment below. And if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.